What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. In the last video, where I had explained a detailed positional view on gold, we are pretty much reacting exactly as expected. And in this video, we'll be discussing, as usual, about pound, dollar, euro, USD, and DXY, and of course, gold. So, without wasting any further time, let's quickly dive into the analysis. So let's start our analysis with DXY. Now, if you guys remember in the recent analysis that I had made, I clearly mentioned I want DXY to make some sort of base right here, and then we'll see an expansion and then possible continuation down. So right now we are getting what was expected. For confirmations, I just want a daily candle to close below this low, thus breaking the structure right here, which will make it confirm that this could be a very good top in the market that was formed on Tuesday. So based off this, now if you go on to, let's check gold for that matter. We had this small demand candle right here. NFP, it was a crazy week the last week, and I clearly mentioned on my Telegram and also on Twitter that I want a candle close below this, only then I'll trust this downfall. All right, if it's not a candle close, then we could see a potential continuation higher, and this is exactly what we got, right? And looking at the current price action based on how we have closed, I think we are definitely heading higher, and this could be a potential bottom. We could just sweep these lows out and then again continue higher. So from Monday onwards, I would be looking for longs only, and plan is very simple. Ideally, I would want a continuation, a higher high, higher low structure to be formed, and then feel free to target 1840s, 1850s odd level, somewhere around 48 to 56 odd levels. And after this, we have a very good base formation right here on a daily time frame. So we could potentially see some small pullback on a daily time frame from here, could be something like this, and then again a continuation higher. And based off a detailed position view, which I've already mentioned, once we move higher from this zone and it is confirmed, we are definitely going to go above these levels, which is 4750 odd levels, and eventually our major stop will only come after all these highs are swept out, which is around 1985. So let's assume like gold will have a pause in the bull run only once 2000 is met. So I am super bullish, and I would only wait for some smaller time frame confirmations and then continue trading this, buying at the lows and keep selling at major supply zones. So one is this, the other could be around these, and then here is where you will see some choppiness in the market again between 1940 to 1980 odd levels, and then again we would will touch 2000 odd levels. So that's pretty much on gold. Now GBPUSD, I clearly mentioned that this is the demand area where I want GBPUSD to enter, and from there on we could look for long positions. Now if you see this, we have a very clean lower high lower low structure, which we are about to violate. So right now as we speak, even DXY is still bullish because it hasn't essentially closed below this. Also gold hasn't essentially closed above 34 30, what is this level, 33 34 odd levels, and GBPUSD as well hasn't closed above this high, but there's a very high probability it might. So if once it does this on a 1 hour time frame or a 4 hour time frame, wait for a pullback and then again continue to look for long positions. So for GBPUSD, my first target based off a swing trade would be somewhere around this base right here. So we have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 days spent right here in this range. So it's quite likely we'll first test that And then of course we have all these liquidity right here. So eventually we'll tap into this right here. So my bias still remains the same. Well, look for longs only once the structure is broken and it's confirmed we are trading higher. Trading London, I think, would be slightly difficult. I would wait. Ideally, if London is presenting this price action wherein a higher high is formed, then I would definitely trade London, or else I would wait for New York to open. That's pretty much it on GBP USD. Finally, we have Euro USD. Euro USD, I did mention these lows will be swept out, and we got exactly that. After this, now if you check right here, we are also about to break structure right here. So it's a clean lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and a possible higher high that is coming in the market, which will change the character, change the structure of the market, right? The trend will shift. So even on Euro USD, my first target, like for us from a swing point of view, once we take off from here, I would like to target this supply right here. Then you can expect a correction, a pullback, basically just a retest and then a continuation again higher. So yeah, overall I'm pretty much bullish now on your XXX USD pairs, and keep shorting all your USD XXX pairs. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the analysis helpful. I hope you found the previous detailed positional view on gold helpful. So yeah, I hope you found the video helpful, guys. If you did, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button, share it with your trader friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.